Number one, do you have a specific goal in mind? Actual goal, all right? Putting out a goal, maybe a 6 months goal or a year goal. Do you have that in mind? Because you need to have a goal in order to get to where you want to go. So have a goal in place. A lot of people, they get into the business and they're just not focused on the actual goal they want to achieve. They're just kind of random thinking, you know. I'll start a business and wing it. So don't wing it. All right, that's number one. Number two, are there other people doing the business you want to do and being successful at it? Are other people out there actually you're seeing it being done by other companies, and so you think it's a good fit for you, and so you decide to go for it? That's what you want to do. If you're going to come up with just something that nobody else is doing, it's going to be really, really hard for you to succeed, because you're going to have to convince each customer they need it. So that's kind of like cold call selling almost. So do that. All right, that's number two. Number three, you see I'm getting tired here walking uphill. Are you not simply duplicating what other companies are doing, copying them? Listen, the key to success is copy successful people. Don't reinvent the wheel, okay? Get to where they're at, then if you want to put in your ideas, go from there. So number three is very, very important, and that's the reason why I'm to where I'm at today. Number four, are you not fully invested? I mean, every fiber invested in what you're going for. Because if you go half stepping towards something, you're gonna get the same results, all right? You're gonna get half but results. So go into anything you're gonna be pursuing 100%, and the odds of you not making it start to drop really, really, really low, okay? So education, right? If you gotta pay for education, pay for it. If that's gonna make that learning curve that's like this to more of a like this, why would you not? Why would you not do that to save you years? Literally, there's people who've been in my business for 20 years that are still making the same mistakes. And trust me, I've mentored them and it's helped. So no matter what you're doing, keep that in mind, guys. And that is very, very, very important also. Number five, the last one, and most importantly, is your mindset. What kind of mindset do you have? Because honestly, your mindset can get you quitting on step one, okay? So mindset, huge. Be the half glass full type of guy, not the half glass empty type of guy. All right, or girl, okay? Because there's so many people out here doing this business and other businesses, and the first thing they think of, they're not gonna. Check it out, guys. I did a short about carpet cleaning, and a lot of carpet cleaners getting in the industry are discouraged. They don't want to do simple things like maybe up the prices $5 per room, right? And I asked them, I said, how many times have you hired a carpet cleaner before you started your business to clean your carpets? You know what, 90% of these people are gonna say they did it themselves on a move out or something like that. You know, as far as maintenance cleaning, most people, they don't. Okay, so being you're that person, that's not the target customer that you're looking for. You're looking for people that actually get their carpets cleaned maintenance-wise once a year, or maybe twice a year. Those are the customers you're looking for. And you're not that customer, so you can't think for them. A lot of these people are in a whole different tax bracket than you, okay? $100 to you, maybe $5 to them. So if you go into a home and you're give them a quote of $500, to them, that's like $50 or $100. To you, it might be a lot. So mindset, huge. If other people are doing it, you can do it too. I'm doing it. You know, I inspire, I motivate, and stay tuned if you like this type of stuff. And know that this stuff is for real. All right. Check out the cleanup Facebook group. And if you're a student of mine, the Green Rhino Academy Facebook group. And it's a support group, guys. You know, no negativity, no trolling, none of that crap. They get out of there. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one.